Hey Tiffany, think it might rain today?
It's raining. I'm freaking out because it's raining. It hasn't rained in here like this in a long time.
No, it hasn't. Hardly ever rains in Blythe like this, huh?
I know. So like I went outside because I heard rain noises and I was like, oh, I gotta go tell Dad. And then, yeah.
Jeez, look at that.
I know. Isn't it awesome?
Crops are getting well watered.
It looks like it was raining a lot harder outside.
It hardly ever rains in Blythe, so we make a big deal out of it, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that, my barbecue isn't getting wet though. That's nice.